Your Airtivo Max comes with a long-lasting battery for maximum freedom and flexibility. It's important to be cautious when taking your battery on and off to prevent damage. You'll see a release latch just under the battery. To get the battery off, push the release down and slide the battery straight out. You don't need to press the release to slide the battery back on, just simply slide it on. The battery contains a row of female connectors that match up with the prongs on the concentrator. It's important when installing the battery that you're careful not to bend these prongs. To make sure that you're pushing the battery straight to keep the prongs free from damage, you'll notice on the bottom of the battery you'll see tabs. These tabs slide along the groove on the battery base of the concentrator to ensure the batteries connect smoothly. To keep the battery moving smoothly along this channel, you must keep it clean and free from dirt and debris. Clean the channel with a microfiber cloth or slightly damp Q-tip if necessary. Routinely inspect your battery for damage such as cracks or leaks. Replace damaged batteries immediately and don't continue to use them in your concentrator as they're a safety hazard. Depending on your setting, your battery can last up to 5.4 hours. Keep in mind that things like breath rate and air temperature can affect battery longevity. You can recharge your battery by plugging your concentrator into a power supply using the AC or DC power cords. In some cases, certain cars may only have enough power to run the concentrator, but not enough power to also charge the battery. Battery recharge time is generally less than 4 hours. If you have multiple batteries, use them in rotation so that they all get regular use. Never leave a battery completely depleted for any length of time, as it will affect its ability to hold a charge. We hope that you found this information helpful. If you need any further technical assistance, please call our tech support line at 1-800-269-0722.